Ooh, my favorite kind of underarms. Yeah, baby, we love when hair is everywhere. We're using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth Wax. It's the last little bit that I had left in my wax pot, and I'll be cleaning that wax pot out because Golden Allure is going to be arriving soon, and I can't wait to show you guys how amazing, because I know it's going to be amazing, that wax is from Sexy Smooth Wax. Now, Tickled Pink dries really fast, so this is great for those of you who are speed waxers or who just want some good quality wax at an affordable price that's going to deliver. I'm just using all the wax on my stick because y'all know Wax Lady don't waste no money. And I'm going to let you know now it's dry, okay? That fast. So when you're pulling these strips off, you can do one pull or you can do sections. If you're going to do sections, follow up with pressure just like I'm doing here. Booyaka. Look how beautiful that was. Somebody call Aladdin, tell him we found his magic flying carpet, okay? And you don't need a code to get this wax. You just go to sexysmoothwax.com. It's on sale for $10.75. Like, you really cannot pass up on that. If you are a esthetician who needs to buy some wax in bulk, you love doing Brazilians, underarms, whatever, this is your wax, okay? Now, let me know what you think about Tickled Pink in the comments, because she definitely is that girl. She's doing what she's supposed to do. Like this little dagger pull right here that got those little breadcrumbs. We love to see it. So don't forget to grab your wax, and also don't forget to grab your Pretty Kitty and body oil if you need to restock or if you want to try it out. Guys, thanks for watching as always. Bye.